Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Mindset. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious and healthy recipes. Today, I'm going to share some fantastic 5-minute breakfast ideas that are perfect for busy mornings. Let's dive right in. First up, we have overnight oats. This is such a versatile and nutritious breakfast that you can prepare the night before or in a pinch, right before you head out. For this recipe, you'll need a half cup of rolled oats, a half cup of milk, or a dairy-free alternative, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt, a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, nuts, or seeds. Simply mix the oats, milk, and Greek yogurt in a jar or bowl. Add a bit of honey or maple syrup for sweetness, then stir in your choice of toppings. Cover and let it sit in the fridge overnight. And if you're really short on time, you can make it right before you eat. It's that easy. Next, let's make avocado toast a classic. It's quick, tasty, and loaded with healthy fats. You'll need 1 slice of whole grain bread, 1 ripe avocado, a squeeze of lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings like cherry tomatoes, radishes, or even a poached egg. Start by toasting your bread. While that's toasting, mash the avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. Spread the avocado mixture on the toast and top with your favorite extras if you like. Super simple and delicious. Moving on, we have a Greek yogurt parfait. It's perfect for a quick, balanced breakfast that you can even take on the go. For this, you'll need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, a quarter cup of granola, a handful of fresh berries, a drizzle of honey. Layer the Greek yogurt in a bowl or glass, followed by granola, and top with fresh berries. Finish with a drizzle of honey. This parfait is not only tasty but also packed with protein and fiber to keep you full. Now, let's whip up a quick smoothie. It's a great way to get your fruits and veggies in one go. Here's what you'll need: 1 banana, a handful of spinach, a half cup of frozen berries, a half cup of Greek yogurt, a splash of almond milk or water. Just blend all these ingredients together until smooth. Pour it into a glass and enjoy a refreshing, nutrient-packed breakfast. Finally, we have an egg and veggie wrap. It's a savory option that's perfect for a hearty start to your day. For this wrap, you'll need 1 whole wheat tortilla, 1 egg, a handful of spinach, a few cherry tomatoes optional, a pinch of cheese. Scramble the egg in a pan, then warm the tortilla. Fill the tortilla with the scrambled egg, fresh spinach, cherry tomatoes, and cheese if you like. Roll it up and you're ready to go. That's it for today's 5-minute breakfast recipes. I hope you found some new favorites to start your day off right. If you try any of these recipes, let me know in the comments below which one you enjoyed the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.